Detrimental. Harmful or causing damage. Smoking is detrimental to health. Eating junk food daily is detrimental to your body. Scarce. Very limited or hard to find. Water became scarce during the drought. Jobs were scarce in the small town. Brood. To think about something sadly or deeply for a long time. He sat alone and brooded about his problems. Stop brooding and enjoy the day. Vague. Not clear or difficult to understand. The instructions were vague. The message sounded vague. Crave. To strongly want something. She craves coffee every morning. After exercise, I crave cold water. Dispatch. To send something or someone somewhere quickly. The company dispatched the package this morning. The restaurant dispatched the food order quickly. Chant. To repeat words loudly again and again. The crowd chanted during the game. Students chanted the school song. Hop. To jump a short distance using your feet. The rabbit hopped across the grass. The child hopped over the puddle. Victory. Winning something or being successful. Winning the race was a great victory. The small business achieved victory after years of work.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!